Hi guys, good morning! Day 3 na tayo here and ang ganap natin now ay mag-island tour tayo. Ang kinuha natin ay Tour A. It will be from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Whole day siya na tour. I think nasa 6 na islands yung pupuntahan natin. Kasama na doon yung buffet, yung lunch buffet. So it's a total of 1,600 pesos. Kasama na yung mga environmental fee, lagoon fee, and other fees. And we're just outside, naghihintay ng tour guide para i-pick up tayo going to the fort. But I'm so excited because yung Tour A daw, yun yung pinakasikat sa lahat ng mga tourists. But yung catch ay maraming mga tao. But nevertheless, it's fine. That's completely okay. And we're ready to go. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa beach, guys. I mean, sa port.
Dito na tayo, sir. Saglit.
Okay, dito tayo. Sige po. Waiting tayo sa ating boat para sa ating Tour A today. Grabe, ang daming tao. Guys, papunta na tayo sa boat. Ang lamig, shocks. Sobrang lamig. Grabe naman, may mga plastic pa. Madumi. Kailangan talaga lumusob para sumakay. Kasi I think hindi kaya ng boat. Oops! Hala! Ang lalim! Sobra naman sa lalim. Pero anyway, this is it! Ayan, nandito na tayo sa boat, guys. And anytime now, aalis na tayo for our Tour A. We're ready.
Okay, let me check everyone's good morning!
Good morning!
Sounds good. Welcome here in the Lido Palawan, Philippines. And of course,
I was just a kid when I met you, honey. Working on my daydreams. Down bed wishing you'd come and save me.
buho ko talaga.
Of a time machine.
Let's look at them.
See us dancing in the kitchen light. No one thought we could ever make it. Didn't know time could move so fast. 10 years later and I'm still your baby. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing.
Hi guys! So now, sasakay na tayo sa kayak. And I'm scared kasi hindi ko pa yan experience ever. But I think we figure out natin yan when we're there. Hi guys! So, nandito na tayo sa Big Lagoon. Sobrang hirap mag-paddle ng kayak. Doon, ang lakas ng alon kaya. I don't know if narinig ninyo ako dyan kasi wala akong mic na dala. Nasa shallow part pa tayo. Pupunta tayo sa deeper na part. Extra challenging. Hindi tayo naka-ready for this. Pero kinaya ng Barbie arms. Barbie arms!
Where did she go? I swear she was just here, running the show, so unafraid. Wish I could go back to those days. Where did she go? Is she hiding in me behind dreams?
Ganda!
Help me see the world the way I used to do. My life was just crying.
Hi guys! Oops! Ang lalim! First langoy dito sa El Nido. Dapat may view. Ayan. Sige, samahan niyo ako. Langoy tayo. 1, 2, 3. Lawig! Ang lalim!
Lalim?
Oo, hindi ko na maabot. Ba? Ang lalim masyado. Saya. Ito pa. Ang ganda ng water. Buyer. Hi guys! So now, ito na tayo sa Secret Lagoon para sa ating lunchtime. And kailangan naming lumangoy papunta sa shoreline. So yeah, I'm starving. Oh, grabe! Ganito yung daan papunta sa lunch. Ah, nilokas. Ah. Oh. Guys, grab. Para naman to Survivor of the Philippines Season 10. Pag magla-lunch, kailangan pala muna lumangoy-langoy papunta sa shoreline. Dito ka. Look. Wow. Oh my God. This is extra challenging. If you're into adventurous stuff, go. Dito ka. Oh yeah. Oh. Feel ko ako dito yung banyaga kasi look at the people. Nasa Philippines po ba? Or I'm in the US? Europe. Ma'am? Hi, sana masarap yung lunch para maging sulit naman lahat ng to. I'm starving again. Sana masarap yung lunch. Lunch is ready! Kainan time! Guys, kainan time! Finally! Higher!
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising. I'm waiting people.
Hi guys! So, katatapos lang nating magtampisaw, maligo sa dagat. And ngayon, nagpi-people watch lang tayo. Ang ganda dito, para siyang mini Boracay. Pero, kaya siya tinawag na mini Boracay kasi yung shoreline niya, parang lit lang. Tapos, konti lang din yung tao compared to Boracay. But, the view, perfect. Mas maganda compared to other beaches na napuntahan ko. And the weather, the place, the vibe, the people, everything. Lahat here sa 7 Commando Beach maganda. So yun lang. And I think very eventful yung araw na to. Thank you. Ano yun, Kois?
Sorry.
Sorry.
Ulit.
Thank you. And I think very eventful yung araw na to. Bye! Say hi ka muna, Kois. Dito.
Punta kayo dito sa El Nido para at least ma-experience nyo rin yung
Anong name mo, Kois?
place namin. I'm Carlo. So, part of Overlap Travel and Tours. Salamat! Bye-bye!
Punta na tayo doon?
Apo.
Okay, thank you.
Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down. And now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down.
Hi guys! So we made it back to El Nido town. I don't know what time na now, but I think nasa 4 to 5 p.m. already. And yeah, it was so much fun. Thank you to Overlap Travel and Tours. Super nice ng mga tour guides nila, yung mga quiz ng ating boat. Thank you so much. We had so much fun. Ang saya. Yun lang. Bye! Hi guys, so we're here at Bayview Resort, El Nido for our dinner buffet. Here's our buffet. Lahat to para sa birthday. Happy birthday. Yan, call your friends. Let's... Happy birthday to you. Hi guys! I'm back after one whole day of tour natin kanina. Now it's dinner time and nandito tayo sa Bayview Resort para mag-celebrate ng birthday ni Bobby. Happy birthday! Nasa 3 kilometers siya away from El Nido Town. Nag-rent lang tayo ng motor papunta here para mas makalis kasi ang bayad sa trike ay 150. Very mahal. So balikan, that's 300, diba? Tapos yung buffet ay from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Ang menu na lang tonight ay Chinese cuisine. Pero walang masyadong options or less lang yung options. I think pero okay naman na siya. Pero compared to other dinner buffet, mas maraming options dapat given its price na 999. Plus one doon sa Boracay, sa Henan Resort kasi parang 700 plus lang siya na buffet. But ang daming option. Pero well, nasa El Nido tayo so it's different. And so far, masarap yung food. Okay siya. And let's enjoy the rest of the night. Bye! Ay, hindi ko na ipakita yung mga food. Nasa gitna na ako in the middle of my dinner. And I realized, nandyan pa pala kayo. Nakikinig pa pala kayo sa vlog ko. Nanonood pa pala kayo. So might as well share my dinner with you. Yan lang. Bye!
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy birthday. Hi guys! Katatapos lang natin mag-dinner and nandito tayo resting. Nagpapahinga lang, chill lang muna dito sa pool area ng Bayview Resort. So yung buffet nila, it comes with pool access. So pwede ka dito tumambay, mag-chill with the view. Ito yung view nila here guys. Yan yung pool. Maganda daw to kapag sunset. So, kung planin nyo pumunta here, agahan ninyo. And that concludes our day 3 here in Palawan. Today, siguro yung pinaka-eventful na day. Ito yung highlight ng trip natin kasi pumunta tayo sa iba't ibang islands here. And then after nagpahinga, then dinner time. So, that's it guys. See you sa next part ng vlog na to. Bye! Good night! Guys! Feel ko ako yung foreigner kasi lahat ng nandito, mga taga-ibang bansa. Hi guys! So nandito tayo ngayon sa Duli Beach and kasama natin si
Kuya Jello, tawagin nyo na lang.
I'm so hungry na right now so I wanna try first the squid siguro and then next itong pork natin. Tara, kain tayo! Sobrang nakakalungkot kasi yung shades ko kinuha na ni Haring Dagat. Diyos ko po. Guys, ang lakas ng alon!
Ano kalawin ko?
Hala! Yung kalawin ko. 1.5 years. For 2 days ko lang nagamit. Ano ba yan? Kaya kailangan ko talagang pumaldo.